Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and for today's video, we will going to do another unboxing and quick review. And the phone that we will going to feature today is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. So guys, this is a predecessor of Redmi Note 7 Pro, but this Redmi Note 8 Pro has more features and upgrade also. So let's get it started. And by the way guys, this phone is sponsored by Miss Jane Yap. So thank you so much. So mag-subscribe na rin kayo guys sa channel niya. Link will be on the description. So guys, this is the box of Redmi Note 8 Pro. On top of the box, you will see here the picture of Redmi Note 8 Pro. And on top of it, you will see small MI logo. And on the side, Redmi Note 8 Pro branding, and on the other side Redmi Note 8 Pro branding again. And from the bottom of the box, you will see here Redmi Note 8 Pro, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and the color that we will going to feature today is the forest green. And you will see also the different IMEI numbers from the bottom of the box. This phone guys, it comes also with different colors here in GCC. So some available colors, it depends to your country. So now guys, let's open the box. So after opening, we'll see again another box, a small box. And inside of it, you will see here a SIM card ejector pin, a warranty card, and a user guide manual, and the jelly case guys. After removing the small box, you will see here the phone itself. So it comes with the forest green in color. Let's set aside this first. Another, we have this charging brick, which is standard 18 watts charging, and the USB Type-C port. Guys, as you notice, inside the box, it doesn't have an earphone, but most of the store here in Qatar are giving free MI headset from Intertech, the official distributor of Redmi here in Qatar. So that's a very nice action from Intertech because they are giving free headset once you buy this phone. And now guys, here is the Redmi Note 8 Pro. This is the phone guys. As you can notice, I already removed the plastic. And I just put it back because I'm just really excited to open this phone. But it's showing here in the plastic the main feature of this phone. First, the MI branding, Redmi Note 8 Pro, a 64 megapixel ultra high resolution camera. It's a quad camera guys with ultra wide and macro lenses. 6.53 inches Full HD Plus dot drop display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and rear. High performance Helio G90T liquid cooling system, 4500 milliampere battery. It's a high capacity battery, 18 watts fast charging, Redmi by Xiaomi. Actually guys, one thing I love from this phone is when you are holding the phone, it's really nice and comfortable to hold because of the edges from the back of the phone. So it's really comfortable guys when you are holding the device. From the right side of the phone, you will see here the volume rocker and the power on and off button. And on the other side, on the left side, you will see the SIM card tray. So let's now open this SIM card tray. This is a hybrid slot guys. It's either one SIM, one memory card, or two SIM without memory card. On top of the phone, you will see an IR blaster and the microphone. From the bottom of the phone, we have here the 3.5 jack, USB Type-C port, a microphone, and the speaker grills. The main highlight of this phone is the latest chipset of MediaTek, which is basically designed for gaming. It is the MediaTek Helio G90T. 12nm octa-core processor with GPU Mali G76MC4. So it comes also with three variants. First, the 6 gigs of RAM with 64 GB of internal storage. Another, we have the 6 gigs of RAM, 128 GB internal storage. And it comes also with 8 gigs of RAM with 128 GB of storage. But here in Qatar, as of this moment, only 6 gigs of RAM with 64 GB and 128 GB of storage are available only in the market here in Qatar. Android 9 Pie with MIUI 10 version with 4500 milliampere battery. And this phone is supported also of Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 with 18 watts of charging. So this is very nice, guys, because even though it's MediaTek, but still this is supported of Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. On the back of the phone, you will see here a 2 megapixel depth sensor, 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle lens, and the 2 megapixel macro lens. On top of the macro lens is the flashlight. We have here a 20 megapixel front camera, and these are the sample shot of front and back camera of Redmi Note 8 Pro. Like what I told you earlier, this phone has a MediaTek processor. So most of the people, when they heard the word MediaTek, they don't want to buy that phone because most complain of MediaTek processor is heating. But another highlight of this phone, it has a liquid cooling system. And let's see in our gaming test if it's heating or not. So our first game is Asphalt 9. So I already set the graphics to high quality, and the first thing I notice is that the game performance is very smooth. No lags, no touch delays, no frame drops, and the best graphics ever. I didn't expect this for a MediaTek chipset. The highways are very detailed, as you can see. And sound quality is nice also. It's fine for me already. I am satisfied and I am really amazed with the performance of this phone using this game Asphalt 9. Our next game is PUBG Mobile. So far, we don't experience delay, no lag or frame drops. Also, the graphics are the best. It's in HDR and realistic, so it's really amazing, guys, when it comes to the experience in this game from this phone. And guys, from those who are asking if I experience heating from this phone, especially I am using the highest graphics that is available, and yes guys, I feel the heat, but it's only warm. I am so amazed because it's MediaTek, but it's not that much when it comes to heating, not to the extent that the heating is affecting the performance of the phone. Actually, with all the gadgets, when you are playing games, it's heating and it's affecting the performance of the phone. I already played 3 times already here in PUBG, but still the performance of the phone is still great and very smooth. Another thing I noticed with this phone is the battery. With the video setting that we set a while ago is in high resolution. Especially this is PUBG guys, so I was expecting that the battery will drain fast. But definitely really great guys, it didn't drain fast. So for those PUBG gamers out there who is looking for a good and cheap phone for gaming, I would highly recommend this Redmi Note 8 Pro for you. And actually guys, I am also a PUBG gamer, so I just want to shout out all the members of my clan, which is the Spat clan. So shout out for you all guys, all the members of Spat clan. So just keep on playing guys, at sama-sama tayong magpalakas lahat. Overall guys, these are the specs that I really like about this phone. So first is the design. It's the curve built design from the back of the phone, which is very comfortable, like what I told you. While holding the phone, your hands feel relaxed. And second thing guys is the screen. Yes, there is a notch from here. It's not a full screen, but still the kind of IPS screen that this phone has is very unique. It's not like the normal IPS LCD display that you will see on the other phone. I saw it more brighter, more vibrant, even the icons and even the graphics when you are in the game. But of course, AMOLED still has different quality because display, of course, it's better. But like what I told you, comparing with the competitor which is in the same IPS display, this is really different when it comes to brightness and vibrancy. And third guys is the battery. So a while ago, I played Asphalt 9 and PUBG in this phone, and I think my game time there is approximately like 2 to 3 hours, and my battery were I think 95%, but still as of now, as you can see, it's still on 51% of the battery level. So I was really amazed guys when it comes to the battery of this phone. So fourth guys is the camera. It's a quad camera with macro lens, ultra wide angle, and 64 megapixel. Although 64 megapixel, I noticed some noise in some of the photos, but comparing to the other mid-range phone and considering the price of this phone, so far for me, it's the best mid-range phone I highly recommend, especially of course for gaming. And is the chipset. So most of the MediaTek chipset produce heat after long stay in the game, but in this phone, yes, I feel the heat from the phone, but it's only warm, normal heat that phones can emit when playing games. Not that much heat, so I was really amazed with this phone. Maybe the cooling system also built in from this phone has a big help for heating issue. Very nice guys. And lastly guys is the second space guys. This second space is available also in Huawei, some Huawei models, and Honor phone like View 20 and Honor 10. All you need to do guys, you just need to go to the setting, special features, you open this second space. So this second space can protect your privacy. It allows you to store different files or different images. So this is absolutely risk-free guys. So a second space doesn't affect other item on your device. Completely ready to use separated space. Just need to turn on second space here. So now it's creating second space guys. Just continue. Continue. You just need to confirm your first space password, and you can set different password from your second space guys. So I'm just finished. Set up now. Confirm first space password again. No need to set fingerprint. Skip. And here we go guys. This is our second space with different applications, different accounts. So it's up to you if you want to download different Facebook, different Messenger, different YouTube account. You can do it guys. Completely separate space guys. So you just need to lock your phone. If this is your main space password, you go already to your main account. If you want to go to your second space account, you just need to enter your second space password. So see guys the difference. So it's really nice guys feature from this Redmi Note 8 Pro. The only thing I really don't like, it's just a little bit destructive guys. The camera, because of your finger can touch those cameras. So it's bothering me while playing games, and even if you do a fingerprint, there is a tendency that your finger will touch the other camera of this phone. So the tendency when you don't wipe it, once you take photo, it will become blurry. That's the only disadvantage that I saw with this mobile. But the price for this mobile here in Qatar is very reasonable guys. So like what I told you guys, this phone has two variants here in Qatar. The 6 gigs of RAM with 64 gigabyte of internal storage. That may cost 699 reals, and the 6 gigs of RAM with 128 gigabyte of storage may cost 799 Qatari riyals guys. So guys, that's it for now. So thank you so much guys for watching. So if you like this video, share it to your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe also if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Just subscribe also to Miss Jane Yap. Link will be in the description, and see you again on my next video.